Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Sentry for UI error monitoring and UX stability. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit Sentry's official website. Locate the sign up button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Input your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password that meets Sentry's requirements. Re-enter your password in the provided confirmation field. Once you have filled in both fields, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a verification email shortly after. Check your email inbox for the verification message from Sentry. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the Sentry website after successfully verifying your email. Log in using your newly created email address and password. Upon logging in, you will be greeted with a welcome screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your first project. Select the technology stack that your application is using. This step is crucial for proper integration with Sentry's monitoring tools. Once selected, click Next to proceed. Now you will be asked to name your project. Choose a meaningful name that reflects its purpose. After naming your project, click Create Project to finalize the setup. You will be presented with integration options for your chosen stack. Follow the provided instructions to implement the Sentry SDK in your application. Depending on your framework, you might need to install a specific package. Use the terminal or command prompt to run the installation commands provided. After installation, configure the SDK using the DSN key provided by Sentry. This key links your application with your Sentry project. Implement error tracking by adding the necessary code snippets to your application. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.